Ooh, we got another one. Happy Easter and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. It's great seeing you and it's time to celebrate. To celebrate Easter every year, I usually make a quiche. And today I'm making a quiche I've never tried before. It's called a Hissy Fit Quiche. I guess it's based on a tailgating dip called Hissy Fit Dip. I can't wait to try it. Let's make it. I'll start by cooking up some pork sausage. There it goes. I'm gonna pour half that sausage in the frozen pie shell and I'll leave the rest for a rainy day. I'm gonna put in a little Muenster cheese in there and some Colby Jack cheese. Sprinkle on a little onion powder and some garlic powder. In a bowl, I need 3 beaten eggs. 1 cup of half and half. 3 tablespoons of sour cream. Some Worcestershire sauce. Whisk it together. Pour it over there. Bake it for 1 hour, 350 degrees. I want it, I want it, I want it, I want it! Hissy Fit Quiche. Let's taste it. The sausage is wonderful. I love the Worcestershire sauce in that. That's great. Garlicky, and the cheese, perfection. This is a wonderful Easter. I'd like to wish you the happiest of Easters. Thank you so much for joining me here on Jim's Kitchen. It is a pleasure knowing you. Have a great day. Bye. Where does the Easter Bunny get his eggs? From the eggplant.